everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr and I'm back with a brand new video. In the last video that I did a pair of custom Air Force. I did these right here, these Papa inspired Air Force. Basically, they're not really something I would wear. I do actually wear like all the customs that I make and stuff. I don't just like, do you know what I mean, like make them and then just like. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize the other shoe because I didn't finish them. I only did the left shoe, so I still have the right shoe. Because I felt like I just wouldn't wear them, I thought, what's the point of doing both shoes? I might as well make another video and make something that I can make another video with. So I'm going to be doing the right shoe and I'm going to be making these like Baby Milo inspired Air Force. Let's get straight into it and yeah, let's go. So these are what the shoes look like completely finished. These are the Baby Milo Air Force 1's. You know, got the bait pattern, 2 Baby Milos, another 2, and then you also have like the orange on the stitching and just going around the whole shoe. Make sure to let me know what you think in the comments. Honestly, when I started this custom, I had no idea what I was doing. I basically just started drawing on the shoes, and eventually they came out looking like this, which I think they look pretty fair in my opinion. But as always, you gotta let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Would you rock them? Would you wear them? Honestly, I'm kind of considering buying a low pair and doing like the full custom, because you know, I did the left shoe like this. This is the right shoe. So these are the 2 customs. Which ones do you guys prefer? The left shoe or the right shoe? Honestly, I would wear these like 100%. But I probably wouldn't wear these, although I do like the way they look. And yeah, I'm thinking about doing like a low pair, like just like this, so I would actually wear them. So as always, you gotta let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. We're super close to 20k subscribers, so if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Today's comment shout out goes to Kimberly. I appreciate you watching. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Make sure to let me know what you think of this custom down in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike. Me, I just do it.